Big movement on jumbo loan rates, and how many offers should you expect for a listing? Tune in to Tom's Take. We'll break it all down. You're definitely going to want to watch this one. Great news coming out of the mortgage industry. Jumbo loan rates have come down substantially from where they were even a month, 45 days ago, where back then in May or in even late April, we were seeing jumbo loan rates on a 30-year fixed coming in around 4%. That's a really high rate, especially when we're talking about low rates, cheap money. Since that time, a lot of the big banks have gotten aggressive. TD, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and sometimes these aren't the easiest guys to work with, full disclosure. However, their rates are really competitive, and when you're talking about financing larger loan amounts, because a jumbo loan is above 510, 400, that's where you cross that threshold in the jumbo loan territory, rates are now coming in 3 1/8, 3 1/4% on a 30-year fixed. So really great news. We'll talk about what that means for sellers and buyers in a second. And we've also got another interesting piece of data. In the month of May, the average listing got 2.7 offers. 2.7 offers. So not one, not two, even a little more than that. So what do these two pieces of data mean for buyers and sellers? So when it comes to jumbo loan rates, if you're a seller selling a premium or luxury property, and in our market, just about 7 to 8% of the homes that sell are above 650, which you take a 20% down payment, you're right around that jumbo loan threshold. So that premium or luxury market, all of a sudden, it's a lot more affordable to buy. It might be a more opportune time to get your home on the market if you're in that premium luxury price point, because now buyers are able to take advantage of those low rates, and if they're selling a home in the lower price points, we know what's going on in that segment of the market. Buyers, if you've been waiting to upgrade, great time to take advantage of where rates are coming in so that you can get a cheaper monthly payment. And this is probably going to be like your 20, 30-year home, your forever home, whatever people want to call it. So all of a sudden, you're locking in one of the lowest rates in history for a home you have no intention of moving out of for the next 2 to 3 decades. Sounds like a pretty big opportunity to me. Now, with the number of offers coming in on homes, what this means for buyers is that you've got to be competitive. You've got to be ready to get into a multiple offer situation. Check out a couple episodes back. We'll talk about how to win in those things, some of the strategies available. Here's the thing for sellers. If your home's not getting that kind of interest, it might be time to consider a price adjustment, because we know that if you're averaging 2.7 offers, you haven't even seen one. The things you can control as a seller are how well does the home show, are you getting the right exposure online and offline, and is it positioned properly to sell? So the latter there, it might be time for a price adjustment if you're not seeing those kind of offers coming in on your home. So we just broke down some of the most recent data. You need anything, you know where to reach me. Happy to elaborate. Otherwise, we'll be back next week.